Today I'm going to show you how to back up Chrome in just a few simple steps by turning on sync. This is one of the easiest ways to protect your Chrome data because it helps keep your bookmarks, passwords, history, extensions, and settings connected to your Google account. So if you ever switch devices, reinstall Chrome, or sign in somewhere new, your information can come back with you. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser and click your profile icon. This is usually where your account picture appears, or it may show a generic profile symbol if you're not signed in yet. After clicking the profile icon, you should see an option that says Turn on Sync. Go ahead and click that. Chrome will then ask you to confirm that you want to sync your data across devices. This is the important step that starts the backup process because syncing helps store your Chrome information in your Google account. On the confirmation screen, click Yes, I'm in. Once you do that, sync will be enabled and your Chrome data will begin backing up automatically. From this point on, your browser activity and saved information can stay connected across your devices as long as you use the same Google account. So if your goal is to keep Chrome backed up and easier to recover later, this is the key setting you need to turn on. It only takes a moment, but it can save you a lot of time and frustration down the road. And that's it. Your Chrome backup is now set up by turning sync on. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.